most people don't realize that, but what we discharge into, it ends up down in the Ohio River and hits the Mississippi River, and it ends up in the Gulf of Mexico. Everything that we do at this facility is so important to the environment, because if we mess up, it's not just our community that we're hurting. It's everybody downriver from us, all the way down to the Gulf of Mexico. That's a lot of aquatic life and a lot of people. I'm Travis Calhoun. I'm the Associate Director of Treatment Operations for Columbus City Utilities in Columbus, Indiana. Columbus Utilities is a very unique facility. We don't use chemicals here. We're a biological nutrient removal facility. So we get all of our treatment by the microorganisms and the way we control them in a controlled environment. If we had to feed, say, alum for our phosphorus removal, it would cost this facility about $400,000 a year. So by not using chemicals, we can actually save the city and our ratepayers a lot of money. So it gets pumped to the plant, then it goes through the mechanical fine screens. Then we have our grit removal tanks. Then it goes to the oxidation ditch. We can control the air on the oxidation ditch to manipulate those microorganisms to do what we need it to do. Once it goes through the oxidation ditch, it goes out to the final clarifiers. Solids settle to the bottom, clears at top. Clear comes out, it gets come around here, and it goes through the UV disinfection. Then it goes through our cascade aeration to the river. The solids, they get pumped back into the oxidation ditch for more treatment. We'll turn the air off, decant all that water off of it, and we'll keep wasting into it until we get it to a certain solids percentage that we need. Then we can take it to our dewatering building. That's where we run it through the centrifuges. And then we can either take it to the landfill or land application. We're trying to reduce our impact on the landfills, the local landfills. So with that being said, we try to utilize our land application permit. So by doing a land application, we can actually take our biosolids, apply them on a farm field, and the farmer can use those instead of commercially bought fertilizers. It saves them money, it saves room on the landfills. We're not filling up landfills. And as you can see around us, we're in a very large farming community here. So the more we can reduce our footprint and recycle our product, the better it's going to be for our future. Flottweg is very, very vital to our land application program and us being a sustainable future. Currently, right now, we have one Flottweg, and we are in the process now of procuring 2 more. So we'll have 3 total of the X5Es. Back in 2018, we started looking at adding a centrifuge. We had 2 centrifuges, they were smaller, and we started looking at increasing because the size of our community has kept growing and kept growing. So we've had it for about 5 years now. We've had 0 issues out of it. And now, after seeing the results of that over these past few years, now we're going to replace those 2 smaller ones that were undersized. We're gonna go back with 2 more of the X5Es with Flottweg. So we chose a lighter approach to the maintenance program through Flottweg, but the support staff has been amazing, from procuring it to installing it to startup. And I would suggest anybody that is looking at adding on to their machinery or going with something, go to these facilities like ours. Go talk to the operators. Go talk to the people that are running them day in and day out. When we went and talked to 2 places that had Flottwegs, their response was, I wouldn't give it up for the world. The support's there. They sell a very, very quality machine, and they don't just sell it, they stand behind it.